When I've had a long day, riding my bike is like therapy. The fresh air and wide open space is like pressing a reset button. And that's why being able to transport my bike easily is so important to me. The hitch and bike rack from Croft Trailer Supply allows me to explore places I haven't gone before, giving me a sense of independence and freedom. Croft made buying and installing my hitch a breeze, and their staff had me in and out quickly. So thank you, Croft, for making my journey easier.